Here are some key components to servicing an air compressor. This is a duplex, and we have a switch A, B, or auto, which is both. Right now we have it on A, so we can service B. Make sure you change your air filters, available at any parts store. Make sure you drain your oil completely, and after it drains, add a little bit more to make sure that you don't have any restrictions in your drain tube and to get that last little bit of junk out. Also, you will want to take apart your low oil control switch and its sight glass and clean it out so you can get an accurate reading of your oil level. You will want to check your belts, make sure the tension is good, make sure they're not worn out. These aren't, they're still in line with the edge of the pulley. Once the belts get lower, that means they're getting worn out and they will need to be replaced. Also, you need to check your auto drain to make sure it's working fine, and grease the fittings on the electric motor.